During our first decade, the Simplicity product line quickly grew to include pillow blocks, linear slides, and optimized shafting. The Frelon liner technology expanded to create a new product line of linear guides, thus launching the gliding surface line of carriages and rails. Later, to tackle different environmental demands, a V-guide wheel and rail system was developed, resulting in the Integral V line of linear guides. Customer application demands led to the growth of ball and roller type bearings as well as screw-driven technologies. Building on the expertise of component manufacturing, the product line was expanded to include assembled mechatronic linear actuators, which quickly grew in size range from small to large.
My name is Jim Hauver, Plant Production Coordinator. I've been with PBC Linear 30 plus years. We're all family, and I like the growth and the challenge that we have.
I'm Svetlana Ristanovic. My title here, I am working on mini rail, cutting them, that's assembly. I'm here almost 17 years. I like my job, I love my job. I appreciated teamwork here, most than anything else.
My name is Tim LaCrone. I am a Director of Manufacturing Engineering here at PBC Linear. I have been here 30 years. What I like most about this company, for a mechanically minded person, there's a new challenge every day. So the 30 years I've been here, it only seems like it's been a couple years.
Learn more at pbclinear.com.